In this video, we're going to show you how to reduce down to zero. This is the primary purpose of a reducer. Reducing down to zero means that your flooring installation is just going to stop, but your subfloor continues. The reducer is specifically designed for the height of our floor to accommodate this ramping down to zero. To do this installation, you'll need sandpaper and general construction adhesive. Just like with all of our trim, you'll want to sand the bottom of the track to create a surface that will bond better to the adhesive. Once that's done, you'll lay a strip of glue in a straight line along the edge. Install the track on top of it, sliding one edge underneath the flooring, making sure to leave approximately a 1/4 inch gap between the floor and the center of the track. Once the glue has dried, you snap in the reducer and you're all set. If you have any questions, you can chat, call, or email us anytime.